Sa bawat nilalang magigising ng lupang kulang sa tinig.
It is lovely seeing everyone gathered here today to celebrate the milestones of our students. I am Teacher May.
And I'm Teacher Mai. Welcome to CLP School Graduation 2024. Let's uplift together.
Sa dilim, harapin mong magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa
I'm proud to say that because we are a small community, all the kids are given the opportunity they need. They are all recognized for their individuality. They are not student number 42 who sits at the back of the class because his name starts with Z. You are known here by name. You are seen. And most importantly, you are loved.
Sa gitna ng gulo, isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim, harapin mong magiting ang bagong awitin. Liwanag, liwanag sa dilim.
I would like to thank the teachers for giving me feedback about my work. You know, I become defensive and my tone can get pointed when I get feedback. But because of their patience, I too inspire teachers.
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbi. Liwanag sa dilim, harapin mo.
No matter where life leads you, do good, be kind, stay humble. You do not have to change the world. But I am certain that if you keep your heart in the right place, you will be an instrument to change someone's life for the better in ways big and small.
Liwanag